Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 10th Standard Mathematics, Chapter number 3, Exercise 3.12. Now problem number 1. If the difference between a number and its reciprocal is 24 by 5, find the number. Again, the difference between a number and its reciprocal is 24 by 5, find the number. You are asked to find out a number. Let the number be x. By data, difference, you know the symbol for difference, minus. Difference between a number, what's a number? X, and its reciprocal. The reciprocal is 1 by x. That is equal to 24 by 5. It is given. Okay, now we can solve the equation. Can take LCM, otherwise just cross multiply. X into x, x square, minus 1 whole divided by x. Actually here 1 will be there. Again I tell you x into x, x square, minus 1 into 1, 1 whole divided by 1 into x, x. That is equal to 24 divided by 5. Then, so since we have equal sign, you have to cross multiply. 5 into x squared minus 1, that is equal to 24 into x, 24x. Then usual multiplication, 5 into x, 5x squared minus 5 ones are 5. That is equal to 24x. 5x squared, this 24x comes left hand side, minus 24x, and minus 5, that is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize. Here we have 5. 5 into minus 5, that is equal to minus 25. And the coefficient of x, that is equal to minus 24. For getting 25 in product, we have two combinations. One is 25 ones are 25, another one 5 5s are 25. Here we have to take 25 and 1 only. Then only can get minus 24. For getting minus 24, I am introducing minus for 25. So minus 25 plus 1. Since it is an equation, quadratic equation, you can find the values of x directly. Many times I told you. The coefficient of x squared, what is here? 5. Change the sign and write minus 5 in the denominator. Here also. Now you can simplify. Minus minus get cancelled. 5 table how many times? 5 times. So you can directly write x, that is equal to 5 here, 1 here, 5 by 1 is 5. Or x, that is equal to plus divided by minus, minus 1 by 5. Here you are asked to find out the number. Therefore 5 is a number, minus 1 by 5 is also a number only. So both the answers are correct. Therefore the required number is 5 or minus 1 by 5. Okay, that's the answer. Just for verification is for our reference only. A number, the difference between a number, I consider the number 5 and its reciprocal is 1 by 5, correct? That is equal to, we can verify, 5 5s are 25, 25 minus 1, 25 minus 1 whole divided by 5. That is equal to 24 by 5. That is given in the question itself, 24 by 5. Difference between a number and its reciprocal is 24 by 5. And now I am going to take minus 1 by 5. Difference between a number and its reciprocal, the reciprocal 1 by minus 1 by 5, correct? Reciprocal of the number equals minus 1 by 5, minus minus get cancelled, plus 1 by 5. When it comes to the numerator, you can write 5, that is equal to minus 1 plus 5 5s are 25 whole divided by 5. In that case also you are getting 24 divided by 5. 25 minus 1, 24 by 5. In both the cases you are getting 24 by 5. Therefore both the answers are correct, 5 as well as minus 1 by 5. Problem number 1 is completed. I will be teaching the next problem, that is problem number 2, in the next video. Thank you, children. Students, this is Sivakumar, 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.12. Now, problem number 2. A garden measuring 12 meter by 16 meter, that means 16 meter length and 12 meter breadth, is to have a pedestrian pathway that is W meters wide installed all the way around, so that it increases the total area to 285 meters square. What is the width of the pathway? Okay. What is the length and breadth? 16 and 12 meter. And around that garden there is a pathway of width W meters, so that the total area of the garden including the pathway is 285 meters square. If it is, what is the width of the pathway? Garden, meter, 16 meter. Okay, 16 meters length, 16 meters length and 12 meter breadth. It's a garden. Around the garden there is a pathway. Of uniform width. So what is the width given? W meters, uniform width. So W, it is also W, it is also W. I write over here W meter, W, W, and it is also W. So uniform path. Okay, right, now I consider as A, B, C, D. It's a garden including the path. Now ABCD is also in the shape of a rectangle. For this rectangle, we can find the length and breadth first. Length as well as breadth. So listen carefully. From here to here we have 16 meters, correct? Since 16, from here to here W, 16 plus W, here also one W, so totally from here to here 16 plus 2W. That is the length of the garden, rectangular garden, including the path. Like that, breadth. This portion 12, this portion W, it is also W, so 12 plus 2W. 12 plus 2W, that is the breadth of the rectangular garden, including the path. By data, product of these two, that means 16 plus 2W and 12 plus 2W. 16 plus 2W into 12 plus 2W, that is equal to 285 square meters. That is given in the question itself. Now we have to find out the value of W. Listen carefully. Multiply 16 into 12. I do the calculation here. 16 into 12. 12 6 are 72. Balance 7. 12 ones are 12 plus 7 is 19. So 192. 16 into 2W, that is equal to 32W plus 2W into 12, that is equal to 24W plus 2W into 2W, that is equal to 4W square. Then 285 comes left hand side, minus 285 equals 0. So I have to arrange them in order. First write 4W square, 32W plus 2W together 56W, and 192 minus 185, subtraction, bigger number sign, minus. I do the calculation here, 285 and 192. We subtract. 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 9, you have to borrow here. 18 minus 9 is 9. It will be 1. Correct? 1 minus 1, 0. So 93 minus 93 equals 0. Here 4 and 56, 93. Nothing common to divide, so we can proceed. Now we have to factorize. 4 into minus 93. 4 into minus 93. I multiply here 93 and 4. 3 fours are 12. Balance 1. 9 fours are 36 plus 1. 37. 372. Minus 372 because minus here. And the coefficient of W, that is equal to 56. We have to find out two numbers. Product of the numbers equal 372 and sum of the same two numbers equals 56. How to get? Since it's a bigger number, we can go for factorization. That will be easy. Listen. 372. I divide only by the prime number. If you divide by the prime number 2, 1 time, balance 1, 17, 2 8s are 16, balance 1, 12, 2 6 are 12. Again we can divide by 2, 2 9s are 18 and 2 3s are 6. We divide by 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. 31 is a prime number, so 31 1s are 31. So how to get 56? We have to get the combination. So if we take 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 and 31, 372 only, but no chance of getting 56. Suppose 2 2s are 4, 3 into 31, 93. 93 and 4 if you consider, 93 into 4 is 372 only, but no chance of getting 56. So what to do, sir? I take these two. 31 into 2, that is equal to 62. 2 3s are 6. 62 and 6. I write here 62 and 6. For getting 56, we have to introduce minus for 6 only. 62 minus 6, that is equal to 56. If you multiply the two numbers, definitely will be getting minus 372. Since it is a quadratic equation, we can find the values of W directly. Write W equals, what is the coefficient of W square? 4. Right? Minus 4 in the denominator. Okay. Now you have to simplify. Divide by 2, table only here, 2 times, 31 times. Here also we can cancel, minus cancel, 2 table, 2 times, 3 times. 31 by minus 2, minus here, 31 by minus 2 equal to minus 31 by 2, and here minus get cancelled, 3 by 2, 3 divided by 2. Generally, the bit cannot be negative, therefore this is not possible. So W, that is equal to 3 by 2, that is the width of the path. Even you can write 3 by 2, you know very well, that is 1.5. 3 by 2 and 1.5 are same, correct? Shall I divide over here? 3 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, balance 1. Put decimal point over here, 0. 2 5s are 10, the remainder is 0. So 1.5. Finally, you have to write the result. Therefore, the width of the path of the rectangular garden equals 1.5 meter. Over. Problem number 2 is completed. I'll be teaching the next problem in the next video. Thank you, children.